Cassowary is a type of bird that couldn't fly, but they are known as killer birds. There are only 3 species of cassowary in the world. This bird has habitat in Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Indonesia. Cassowaries have large and bright green eggs. A female is usually able to produce 4 to 5 eggs. After that she will leave, and the eggs are incubated by the male. This bird has been recorded several times attacking humans. Some even got killed. This one creature gets the title as the most aggressive and dangerous bird in the world.